I'm standing on about a foot deep worth of leaves and wood chips, and I'm going to show you how I incentivize these chickens to turn this over for me in the wintertime. One of the primary staples that I utilize in the yard is black oil sunflower seed, and I incorporate it into these piles, fold it in on a daily basis, and the chickens become pretty accustomed to seeing me do that. They know exactly where the food's going to be for that day, and they come in here and they tear these piles apart. We run 3 coops in the yard. There's one right there, another one there, and one right there. Once I let them out, they're going to come out and they're going to start aggressively working these piles. And I'll show you what that looks like, real time, time lapse as well. Right now, most of these piles are at the lower end of the mesophilic range. If it were thermophilic, it would be up in the 130 to 160 degree Fahrenheit. But you can see this is just above 80 degrees. And this is perfectly fine for this time of year. I'm going to be bringing in a lot more leaves, a lot more wood chips. The only real nitrogen source that we get incorporated into these piles in the wintertime is some of the food scraps that we get from our local contacts, as well as the bedding that we get from our animals here on the property and coffee grounds that we bring in. Yeah, I've just added about 25 pounds of coffee grounds to this pile, and the chickens are going to incorporate that once I let them out. Part of the daily routine is removing the chickens' feed for the day, and it just encourages them to go out and to look for natural food sources and then whatever else I may have hidden here in the yard. They're really going to turn this pile over in a pretty quick manner. They'll work on it until they feel like they've exhausted the majority of the seed, but what it allows me to do is to incorporate new things into this pile, and then they just naturally will work it for me. There's another pile that I've been having them work over there as well, but you can see there's less interest over there this morning because I haven't done anything to encourage them, but very active over here. And what I'm going to also be doing today is I'll be adding some additional bedding. I need to clean out one of my chicken coops, and that'll just go right into this pile right here. This coop has a pretty significant manure load, and rather than lay down additional carbon over the top to deep mulch, I'm just going to pull it all out, get it onto one of my piles, and then lay down some fresh bedding. Yeah, there's this free sawdust from the local mill. Price is right. This is all finished compost to this side of the yard. sun has set for the evening, and these guys got a good bit of work done in here today. They're about ready to start heading off to their coops, and we'll bring their food back to them and put them up for the night. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.